Hey guys, sorry, I'm a little busy right now. I'm supposed to write a short story for my creative writing class. I was gonna type it up to impress my teacher, but I can't find my grandpa's typewriter. The attic! I haven't tried the attic. This is exactly what I was looking for. There once was a man who suddenly lost his vision. But luckily, he was smart enough to know the cure. So he went down to his kitchen and ate from a bag of pretzels. The man's vision was then restored. The end. By Sheldon Ice Martin. Oh no, my glasses! I can't see without my glasses! Oh, pretzels. I need pretzels. Yes. Nope, these aren't pretzels. These are... Hey, my glasses. I can see again. Thank you, pretzels. Oh, that all felt really familiar. Yeah. It all came from that story I wrote for my teacher. This must be one of those haunted typewriters, you know, like they have on TV. Everything you type in it comes true. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. Suddenly, a gremlin appeared. Watch it, mister! I have a typewriter and I'm not afraid to use it. The gremlin suddenly wet his pants. No, his fur. You just got owned by a nerd with a typewriter. Then the gremlin just vanished. Yeah. My suspicions were confirmed. This typewriter is making everything come true that I type on it. I have a plan that will end his evil ways once and for all. Sheldon typed madly on his grandpa's old typewriter. Then a thought popped into his head. It was so bad, it just might work. Sheldon placed his fingers on the keys and spelled out. The typewriter lost all of its powers and was never again able to make true what was written on it. The end. Yeah. Well, I better test it out. Out of nowhere, zombies attacked the fearful town of Glendale. I don't hear any zombies. No zombies is always a good sign. I finally beat the typewriter! Yes! Well, I'm gonna go read my story to Mac now. The end. See, Mac, I told you it was a good story. Well, thanks for... Did you just hear that? It sounded like a flesh-eating monster. Oh no! Zombies!